cleaned up in here. It's a lovely day today. I'm gonna go help my mum with the shower screen door. We're replacing it from a shower curtain to a shower screen because there's not enough of a lip on the shower, so the shower curtain keeps coming out and then it makes a big puddle on the floor. So we've ordered a shower screen. We're installing that today so that we can have showers without worrying. I've just tidied in here and then Lauren is about to hoover.
There might be some swearing.
So what we currently have is this dark blue shower curtain that they left behind, but because it hangs so far over the edge we actually keep getting water all over the floor, so we're going to take it out and add a door.
So that is the old curtain and pole on the floor. And oh, I hate that the light's out there. This is our focus. There we go, curtainless shower.
Do you want me to just take it as one thing? You tip it up to me.
So we've got the shower door propped up with a broom. Mum's gone to find the drill. We're using polystyrene to prop up this open door, and we've just got to drill in this part and then stick that part in there. And the other side they're already stuck in, but like just length like that. This has been a bit chaotic, if I'm honest. Then we've just got that gap at the top for ventilation and stuff. So we've got these side bits resting in place now. This is reflecting the wood so you can't see. This part goes into this part and it's adjustable. Then we have to drill through here to make a hole for this to go, a screw to go in. But it looks so nice. I don't know if I recorded that it had a blue curtain before. The drill bit snapped, so Mum's had to go and find a new one, so I'm just waiting here, keeping an eye on the shower to make sure it doesn't fall over. Does this mean no opening and shutting the doors though?
Better if you leave it.
Because surely you wiggle it, so you have to be stuck.
Yeah, I had to stay in it.
And this is the new shower door. We can't open and shut it too much because of the silicone, but it has like a little triangle fold and then you shut it like that. It's very nice. Look at you two hard workers. The laminate's all done and we're going to put everything where it goes. I'm excited. So we've got these heavy duty little pads to go on the bottom of the chairs and table and stuff. Just to make sure. Ooh. Have you got a screwdriver? Oh, that's not his fault. Triangle cupboard. Just to make sure it doesn't scratch the floor, so I'm going to put those on while Lau puts the table together because she will fight me if I build IKEA furniture. It's not that we have a fight, it's that she has to build all the IKEA furniture. That's her job. And if I take her job, she's upset. Now I can slide across the floor and not make that noise and ruin a nice new laminate. So what's
Alright, if it records me.
okay, we're going to move it that bit a little bit because the legs are going to bosh against the wall. Like your way more. Much more. Yeah. Oh, you're scraping it a lot. Yeah. Right, so you're tipping it my way.
No, my way.
Your way. You can't lift it if we're tipping it your way. Yeah. Ready? Table. Stable. Twist that around that way. Back there. Put the chair there. Oh, it looks so cute. I love it.
But you'll match it there.
Yeah, like that, and then the bench will go that side. That looks cute. Yeah?
Yeah.
So it was really late last night when I finished, and I don't know actually how much I showed, but we've got one unit here and we're going to have another one in that gap later today. My mum's picking it up for us. Then our sofa doesn't have cushions because they're currently our mattress. We've got this rug and this coffee table that we have, and then a plant there. And then we're having our first meal on our new table, and I made it full English. How is it? How's the table? So we've just moved the TV and the PlayStation and Switch over there. And then we're going to move this unit because our wardrobe is going to be built along this whole wall. So we're moving this into the other room and it's really heavy. So this is our dowel and our plank of wood that has to go up here. And we're just going to cut the dowel to the right size, and then I'm using this leather belt, faux leather belt, to make two little dangly like loops for it to go into. So yeah, this is the kind of vibe that I want to go for, and have it hanging just a bit lower like this, obviously not with the buckle and stuff. So now we have this strip of fake leather. I'm gonna see kind of how far I want it to hang. This piece of wood is 200 centimeters and Lauren's just marked out 180, and we're just gonna chop that down with a saw outside. But I'm just quickly gonna see what kind of length I want with this, and then I can make a mark through to go. So I'm thinking like that. Obviously I know you can't see it that well because you can't imagine it without the other bit. But if it, do we want it to hang just under, or do we want it to hang like just on it there?
No, I think just under where you first had it.
Just under or a while under?
No, just under where it's got like a small gap.
Like that? You think?
Yeah, I think that looks good.
I don't know, I kind of like the idea of it like being just towards the bottom.
But then I feel like it makes it look like it doesn't give it the hanging effect, personally. I feel like that's too far.
See, annoyingly we can't see it up against the thing. Okay, so if anyone wants to do similar, we got this from B&Q, I think it was £15. It's 240 long and 28 diameter, 28 millimeters. Then we used an old, I think Primark faux leather belt we had, and we've just cut 2 strips, and then what we're about to do is cut it to size, cut the wood to size, and then we're just going to screw those in there. And then we got these little caps for our screws, and they're going to go in like that, and it's going to look really cute.
I'm sanding the end of the dowel and the sword because apparently you can't saw in a straight line.
No, I did it straight. It's
How come there's a lump?
So Lars just gonna saw that, and then I'm gonna. Did I say saw?
Yeah.
Lauren's just gonna sand that, and then I'm gonna drill holes into this white piece of wood. Beautiful. So what we've personally done with our measurements is this bit is 10 centimeters, then in 10 centimeters we've got our piece of leather. 4 centimeters down we have made an indent on both sides of the leather. I'm gonna continue saying leather because saying fake leather every time is not something that I'm gonna remember to do, but it is fake leather, in case anyone's wondering. So we want it this side of the hole, and then we're just gonna put the curtains on to see if they fall nicely. Just need to hold either side like that again, okay? Push it over. And back through, pull only slowly. How's that? Okay. And on to the next one. Ready? I'm seeing if I can screw it into the leather first. There we go. I'm gonna screw it all the way through the leather. That's lovely. So I've screwed the whole way through the leather before I've gone in here, just because it means that I'm more stable to go in.
That's what she said.
That looks so nice. I'm a little bit obsessed with that. So that's where our dowel's gonna go through. Like, this is a test piece. Just like that. Hanging underneath. Wood, wood. So I've just gone through the leather with a drill piece just to make the screw easier to go through. Then I'm going to be drilling a hole in the wood to guide the screw in with a really small piece. And then I'm going to screw into the leather and then screw into the wood. Do you need a guide through?
Oh, yeah.
You need to lift it higher.
Yeah, I'm going to be pushing it.
Well,
Okay. This way. Oh, the cap came off.
looks so good though. So Mum just came back from picking up a Facebook Marketplace find for me. I found some, I think they're called scotias. It is the trim that goes around the laminate just to hide any little gaps like that. It's like concave and it's already white, so it'll look nice against the skirting board. And she picked up a second-hand Kallax unit for me and a big one to do our wardrobe. Our wardrobe. So we just need to pick up some legs, baskets, and we want to do doors on the front of the top too, just for more efficient storage because we can store ugly things. And then we've moved the PlayStation and the Switch into here. These are not going to stay on here permanently. They're going to go on the side of a Kallax unit, like plugged into the TV with like a trunking going down. And then yeah, my mum came home with the scotias, I think they're called. These little trims for the laminate, just to hide any little gaps like that. and we have got a lovely sunny day today. She also picked up this Kallax for us. Honestly, I don't know what I'd do without my mum. I would be much more stressed. But yeah, it's looking really good. But the sun is streaming in through our nice new curtains that are finally up, so we don't have to worry about the neighbours seeing us. The Monstera's loving it. We get this really nice light patch every day. And then I just need to clean up the windowsill. We need to do this with my brother. We got a lock to go on the bathroom door because currently it doesn't lock. And eventually our house will be kind of cut off from the rest, but right now we're all kind of sharing, so people come in and use our bathroom and there is no lock. So my mum picked up this second-hand Kallax off of Facebook Marketplace, and our wardrobe design is kind of this with the 8 squares in the middle and then hanging rails either side, and then a storage bit up top for like maybe board games or shoes or something like that, but then like t-shirts in the top 4, trousers in the bottom 4, hanging jumpers and dresses on the sides kind of thing. And they were quite expensive to buy, so we've decided to make one. So yeah, we've got the Kallax, and then my brother's just going to build side bits out of wood that we buy from the DIY store or secondhand, but we haven't picked that up yet.